Hello my friends, as you know, drinking natural homemade mixtures is one of the best ways to lose weight. These drinks speed up your metabolism and help to cut down fat from your body. Watch this video till the end because today in this video we want to make one of the best mixtures. At first take a lemon and slice it up. Then remove the seeds and cut the lemon into smaller pieces and put it in a dish. Now we need the ginger. Crush it well and put it in the dish. Now chop a bunch of fresh coriander nicely and add it to the ingredients. At the end, add some cloves, pour some water in a dish and let it boil just for a few minutes. Now strain the drink. And as simple as that, our weight loss drink is ready. Try these mixtures if you're overweight, and for a better result, consume it for 10 days in a row and surprised by the changes in your body. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, like and follow us on Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye for now.